Okay, students, now let's look at another question that is similar to what we have solved in the previous one. Now we are having an equation v is equal to ax plus b t cube plus c v square by t, where v is velocity, t is time, and x is displacement. We will have to find out the SI unit and dimensional formula of A, B and C. Our task is to find out the SI unit and dimensional formula of A, B and C. As in the previous problem, we know for an equation to be correct, dimensional formula of LHS and dimensional formula of RHS should be equal. And for an equation to be correct, the terms which are added should have same SI unit and dimensional formula. That's the reason why we are writing if x is equal to AT plus BT square, means dimensional formula of x should be equal to dimensional formula of AT, and that should be equal to dimensional formula of BT square. Now let's look at this equation where we could see an LHS and an RHS. We could see an LHS and an RHS. What is LHS? Our LHS in this case is V. And let me write what is the dimensional formula of LHS. It is V. V means velocity. Velocity is dimensional formulas LT raised to minus 1. We have learned it, LT raised to minus 1. Then what is RHS? RHS is AX plus BT cube plus CV square by T. Okay, then in the RHS we are having terms which are added. Therefore, what I have said was the dimensional formula of AX should be equal to dimensional formula of BT cube, and that should be equal to dimensional formula of CV square by T. This is the condition for the terms which are added. The terms which are added should have same dimensional formula and SI unit. Okay, then we could know, or we could understand, or we could say dimensional formula of LHS should be equal to dimensional formula of RHS. That means dimensional formula of velocity should be equal to dimensional formula of AX, and that should be equal to dimensional formula of BT cube. That should be equal to dimensional formula of CV square by T. Let us initially take this portion. If I am taking this portion into the consideration, we could say V dimensional formula of V is equal to dimensional formula of X, from which dimensional formula of A, it should be dimensional formula of V divided by dimensional formula of X. What is dimensional formula of V? It is LT raised to minus 1. Dimensional formula of X is L. Therefore, L and L will get cancelled. T raised to minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of A. Dimensional formula of A is T raised to minus 1. Then we could say the SI unit of A. The SI unit of A will be, what is T? T is second, therefore second raised to minus 1 is the SI unit of A. Now we have solved the SI unit and dimensional formula of A. In the similar manner, we could equate dimensional formula of V is equal to dimensional formula of PTQ. I am writing it over here. Dimensional formula of V equal to dimensional formula of BTQ means we could say dimensional formula of B is equal to, we could take this T cube to the other side. It will be dimensional formula of V divided by dimensional formula of T cube. Okay, then what's dimensional formula of V? It is LT raised to minus 1 divided by dimensional formula of T cube is T cube. Taking on to the numerator, we will get LT raised to minus 1 into minus 3, that is T raised to minus 4. LT raised to minus 4. It will be the dimensional formula of B. That means dimensional formula of B is LT raised to minus 4. And now we can say the SI unit also. L SI unit is meter, T raised to minus 4 it is second raised to minus 4. Therefore, ms raised to minus 4 will be the dimensional formula of B. In the similar manner, we could say the dimensional formula of C. We could say dimensional formula of C by equating dimensional formula of V equal to dimensional formula of CV square by T. Let me rewrite it over here. Dimensional formula of V is equal to dimensional formula of CV square by T. It is written dimensional formula of V is equal to dimensional formula of CV square by T. നിങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കലും ഇത് V is equal to CV square by T എന്നാണ് ഞാൻ എഴുതിയെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കരുത്. Dimensional formula of V is equal to dimensional formula of CV square by T. This is the equation. In this case, we have to find out dimensional formula of C. It will be dimensional formula of V. This V square will go to the new denominator. Therefore, dimensional formula of V square. This T will go to the numerator. Therefore, dimensional formula of T. Then we could say T, it is capital T, V, it is LT raised to minus 1 divided by V square, it is LT raised to minus 1 the whole square. Therefore, T into T raised to minus 1, the T will get cancelled, T into T raised to minus 1, T will get cancelled, divided by L square T raised to minus 2, LT raised to minus 2, L minus 1 whole square is L square T raised to minus 2. Taking on to the numerator, we will get L raised to minus 1 T square. L raised to minus 1 T square. Therefore, the dimensional formula of C is L raised to minus 1 T square, and its SI unit can be written as L raised to minus 1 means meter raised to minus 1, T square means second square. Okay. Now, this is the answer for the dimensional formula and SI unit of A, B and C. Hope you have understood this. We could find many problems similar to this in our common exam and in our competitive exams, entrance exams and all. Okay.